In this video, we will demonstrate how to interact with Catcher through its two interfaces. We first demonstrate the TopK PubSub data analysis interface. This interface consists of 5 functional panels. Panel 1 is a control center where we can manage displayed datasets, select days, filter messages by time range, and apply subscription filters. When the filter criteria change, the new results will refresh on the map. It helps developers find the caches they are most concerned about. It also highlights messages that impact the most subscriptions, and we can determine the proportion of highlighted messages using the input box. Panel 2 is a monitor that logs statistics such as computational time cost, the number of incoming messages, and triggered updates. Panel 3 consists of subscription and message maps where users can explore data points of interest. Hovering over data points reveals their information, while clicking on a subscription zooms the message map to its location. Moreover, Panel 4 displays a summary of the selected subscription's content through 2 charts. The upper chart displays snapshots of cache content taken every 10 minutes. Clicking on a snapshot retrieves related messages and displays them on the map. The lower chart presents the cache status after each update within this 10 minutes. Hovering over these snapshots reveals detailed cache content in Panel 5, including TopK results and message tagged as valid or invalid. Then we demonstrate the cache model evaluation interface. The evaluation interface comprises of 3 panels. Here, Panel 6 allows selection of different dataset as input for the simulator. Panel 7 is a cache manager where uploaded cache models are added for evaluation. Users can modify some adjustable parameters and the color of the drawn results for caches. Clicking the Perform button initiates Catcher's simulator, and the real-time results are rendered on Panel 8. We can observe indicators like the computational time cost, the memory consumption, and the cache utilization ratio. This provides instant analysis of different methods. Finally, we introduce the remaining buttons: Dataset, for uploading new data; Caches, for uploading custom cache models; and Download, to save evaluation results for local analysis. Thanks, our demonstration is over.